Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. Today got a really cool video for you guys. I picked up this GPS tracker anti-spy cam hidden camera detector from Amazon. I was going to be staying in an Airbnb, and I heard recently that some of these houses actually have hidden cameras located in them. So I actually bought this to try to detect if there were any hidden cameras there. But the Airbnb wound up getting canceled, and I never use this thing, so we're actually going to unbox it today and test it out on cell phone, microwaves, some other things I can find around where I work, and see if we can actually detect a signal. So here we go. Let's go ahead and just unbox this thing. I have opened it up once before, but I never used it. Okay, so first off, we have a cool little thing here. It looks really nice. Cool. K18. Doesn't have a brand name. It's from China. Okay, we're going to go ahead and attach this antenna here. Yeah, so the instructions are not translated well, so we'll have to kind of figure this thing out together. Instruction manual. This, from what the manual says, is a magnetic probe. Looks really cool, and that attaches right on the top there. We'll be testing that out as well. And then your charger. So it already came pre-charged. It does turn on. You also have this little thing here that you can look through. You can see it turns red. That actually allows you to find, I think, like infrared hidden cameras or anything else in that spectrum. You can't see through it, I don't think. Maybe you can. Let's see. Cool, you can see a little bit of redness in there. So yeah, we'll be testing that out as well. So let me go find some cool things to start testing, and we'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be testing is this cordless phone I use at the hospital where I work at. Now the instruction manual, like I said, it's not really that clear, but it says to go ahead and turn it on, then all the way up to the max, and then bring it back down again to where it kind of is in standby state. So let's try that. I'm going to go ahead and turn the phone on and see what happens. Awesome. Turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it on. Let me just bring it down a little bit. Looks like it was picking up something else. Let's try it again. Turn it on. Turn it off. On. Off. So it definitely works. This knob here is for your sensitivity. So when you bring it all the way over, it gets really, really sensitive, which there's Wi-Fi all around me and other things. So you just want to bring it back to where it's not too sensitive. Just you want to find that sweet spot. Cool. So we know that the cordless phone works. Next, let's try a cell phone. Okay, so now we're going to test a cell phone. Just me getting close to it, you can tell. And I haven't even made a phone call yet, but it is kind of detecting a little bit. Let me go ahead and dial the phone number and see if it detects that. Okay, let's get close. Oh, it definitely is detecting something. Pull it away. Let me just adjust the sensitivity a little bit. Okay, yeah, it's definitely. Even when I pull away, it still detects. Let me go ahead and hang up. And goes away. So it just shows you that even when you pull the phone away, you still have that signal near it, and it's picking it up. Right now, the call's been hung up, and you see nothing. Okay, now we're gonna try a wireless AP. Hold on, let me get it ready. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, back up. Okay, back up. All good. Okay, now we're going to see if we can detect the webcam coming from my laptop, which is showing me right there. What we're going to try to do is use this red light detector, infrared detector. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see if we can shine through, and you can see that there's a camera there. Let me turn this on. That's off.
That's on, that's off, that's on. You can see a red dot there. So that definitely lets you know that there's something there, possibly a camera. And we'll try this some more, but yeah, off, on, and that's with the camera on, as you can see. So you might not be able to see that with plain eyesight, but through the red lens, you definitely see a red dot there. Cool, so far so good. Okay, now we're gonna try this outdoor ring cam and see if we can get anything. Okay, step away, bring it back, step away, bring it back, definite signal.
Okay, now we're going to test out the magnetic field detector. So let's go ahead and turn the unit on. Hold down the MS button till it turns to GS. 3 seconds. Okay, now it's in the GS. I have a magnet here. I'm going to bring it close. There you go. As you can see, as soon as you bring a magnet in, it detects the magnetic field and sends off an alert. Alright, let's see what else we can detect. Alright guys, and that pretty much sums it up. As you can see, the K18 RF GS detector works really well, can detect all kinds of radio frequencies along with magnetic frequencies as well. So I highly recommend this if you're going to be staying in a hotel or an Airbnb, or you detect or you think that somebody's actually putting stuff in your car, trying to locate you. You can go ahead and ease your mind with this and see if they actually are. Thanks again for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Please give me a like and subscribe. See you later.